One of the titans of Japanese elegance is Lexus, with a potent engine that keeps things exciting. The 2018 Lexus ES350 personifies that grace. Only 6 complaints and 2 recalls have been reported for the ES350, the 2018 model year. Despite being a luxury brand that is frequently recognized for its dependability, the 2017 ES model, which is the part of the same generation, got 22 complaints and 1 recall. The Nissan Maxima, Acura TLX, and Infiniti Q50 are some of the rivals that cost a little less to purchase. However, they all face far more issues. So let's find out the truth about the 2018 Lexus ES350's dependability. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Mechanical problems. One person complained that the car's engine would stop abruptly before starting again in 5 to 10 seconds. The dealer didn't know what caused the issue. Although unofficially, some owners have mentioned transmission issues with their 2018 Lexus ES350. Exterior problems. On one unfortunate occasion, the air conditioner turned on during a hot day, and the windshield broke in half. Safety problems. Despite the fact that both accidents were relatively minor, 2 owners have reported that the automatic emergency braking and partial brake assist systems did not function as intended. Recalls. There were 2 recalls related to the 2018 Lexus ES350. Both issues were related to the fuel pump. The additional remarks to the recall state that the low-pressure fuel pump inside the fuel tank may fail and cause the engine to stall. Should you buy? With a reliability rating of 4.0 out of 5, the Lexus ES350 is ranked 4th among 31 luxury midsize cars. It has excellent ownership cost with an average annual repair cost of $468. Repairs are more frequent, but compared to other cars, these problems are less likely to be severe. With an ES350, you can anticipate making a few more visits to the shop, but only for small problems. One of the best sedans to ever leave the stable of the Japanese luxury manufacturer is the 2018 Lexus ES350. Given how dependable it is, even though it is a little more expensive than its rivals, you won't likely regret spending that much. As we've seen, there aren't many typical issues with the Lexus ES350. The vehicle combines first-rate interiors, a powerful engine, and unfailing dependability into one package. Overall, if you want the best of both worlds, you can buy this car.